So many times actually the patients will not be instructed very properly by few people, and even though they instructed, patients may not understand what rest you have to take after IVF or after ICSI procedures, after ART procedures, what you have to eat, what you should not eat. After IVF actually you can walk very slowly, you have to take proper diet and not outside food hotel diet. If at all there is any problem in having the home diet or whatever it is, wherever you are staying, at least minimum hot food is required, very hot food, and the proper sterilization should be maintained, the proper hygiene should be maintained. You can have bath, you can have head bath, you can take normal bath 2 times, you can go to lavatory, that is maybe down or western type of lavatory or the Indian type of lavatory you can utilize. Just on the day of embryo transfer you have to take 3 to 4 hours rest at home, and you can lie down straight, you can lie down side by side, you can sit, you can watch TV, you can read something, books, you can pray. You should not sit on the floor, you sit on the chair. You can climb maybe 4 to 5 steps or 10 steps slowly, you have to walk little slowly, you don't talk much with any person, don't see like this internet, or don't follow the internet, or don't follow the YouTube, and don't take so much attention. So whatever reason you are having, you have undergone certain procedure, you please don't think anything else. You think that you will become a mother, you are going to become a mother, and you take the support of your husband or you take the support of your parents. You start talking to the small children, if there is any children present at nearer to your house, and take whatever food you like, don't take the hotel food, don't take the hotel chutney or whatever it is. You take mineral water, and don't eat non-vegetarian, don't go for intercourse, don't go for your regular work, you just take rest. Rest means mental rest. If you go wash your clothes, if you go and clean your utensils, the body movement will occur, you will become so much stressed, you will feel sleepy and all. You sleep, you have good sleep, you have good food, you put positive thoughts in you, and don't go for intercourse, don't go for non-vegetarian food. You stop taking non-vegetarian. Even eggs, even fish, you try to stop. If you cannot stop, we can't say anything, because there are certain reasons behind it. Many people who don't eat non-vegetarian, they will get conception within 1 month or 2 months. Not many, hundreds, 100% actually. Who don't eat non-vegetarian, they will get conception very properly, until unless there is a big problem. So these are the things you should take, and by 10th day morning you can have little breakfast. Sometimes if you don't have any breakfast also, you can come and give the blood. You take injections and tablets very regularly, and all the injections you have to take, maybe 2 or 3 injections will be given to you. These are the injections you can take on time. You just call one of the sisters or one of the pharmacists to your house, or register RMP to your house, and then they will give injection for the 10 days. And on the day when you are coming for the beta HCG test, you don't take any injection, you come and give the blood, and after that you take the injection. No need for anybody's support to hold you or to help you and giving food and all. No, there is no requirement. You just go to the dining table and have your food. You just talk to your own people who are very close to your mind, and don't discuss anything about the treatment with anyone. Don't go through internet. This is my sincere request or suggestion to you. Don't ask anybody, don't talk to your people like who have undergone the same kind of treatment on the same day. Don't talk to them. They will tell my head is aching, they will tell I have fever, I got little abdominal problem, I got little spotting or bleeding, and you will get tension. See, all the 100 people, if suppose if we do 100 for 100 people, all the people will not get pregnancy within a month period. 50 to 60% will get. But again the other people, they may require one more cycle. So you should not talk to everyone. So these are the things you have to follow. You take rest and you take all drugs in time, medicines in time, and all the best for you.